In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for event planning. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple system to organize every moving piece of your event in one place. First, head over to Airtable and sign into your account. You'll land on your workspace, which is where all your bases live. A base is essentially a project hub, and for event planning, it keeps everything connected and easy to update. Create a new base, or choose one of Airtable's event planning templates to get a head start. Templates come with helpful example tables and fields, which you can customize. Give your base a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance. Inside the base, set up tables for the key parts of your event: tasks, guests, budget, and schedule. Think of each table like a sheet with a specific purpose. Tasks help you track what needs to be done. Guests keep your invitation and RSVP details organized. Budget manages costs and payments. Schedule lays out the timeline for the day itself. Now add fields to capture the details you need. Include an event date field, so timelines are anchored to real dates. Add a status field, such as not started, in progress, or complete, to see progress at a glance. Include a location field for venues or meeting spots. Add an assigned person field so everyone knows who owns each task. Pick field types that match the data, like date for dates and single select for statuses, to keep everything consistent and easy to filter. Start entering your records. Add tasks as rows with due dates and owners. Add guests with contact info and RSVP status. Enter budget line items with estimated and actual amounts. The more complete your records, the more useful your base becomes. Switch to Calendar View to manage timelines visually. Choose the date field you want to display, and you'll see tasks and schedule items arranged by day. This makes it easy to spot overlaps, gaps, and upcoming deadlines. Assign tasks and share the base with collaborators so everyone works from the same source of truth. Use sharing settings to control who can edit versus just view. Add notes, attachments, or vendor details where needed. You can attach contracts, floor plans, menus, and invoices, and capture vendor names and contacts in dedicated fields for quick access. Track progress and update information regularly. Filter by status to see what's due soon, sort by date to plan your week, and keep details current to avoid last-minute surprises. Finally, review your plans and manage the event right inside Airtable. Use your schedule as a run of show, check off tasks as they're completed, and keep everything updated so your event stays on track from planning to wrap up.